Yummy?
It was good. Guys, today we're making cookies. Mommy will help me. Cookie. First, we have to put on 1/2 sugar.
1/2 cup of white sugar. Oh, go ahead, put it.
So heavy. Put brown sugar.
How many cups?
3.
3/4. Oh, you put it na.
Next, 1 teaspoon hot salt.
Okay, go ahead. Let's put
1 teaspoon, half cup of sugar.
no sugar, 1/2 cup of melted,
Melted,
unsalted
unsalted
butter.
butter. Next, we put water. Squirting.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Oh, just try. Good job.
Congratulations!
Next, 1 teaspoon of
Vanilla extra.
Extra.
Let's start.
We start mixing.
Whoa, mixing.
Hold it.
Hold it properly.
I think the sugar's down there and through the egg.
The egg is gone.
The
It's
egg.
mixing with the butter and the sugars.
If you put the butter in there, we're gonna be no sugar in there.
Because it's gonna be wet na. Then the sugar will dissolve. Right?
All of it.
All of it.
All of it is gone.
Is that enough mixing?
Yeah, this is a crystal down there.
Meron pa oh.
There's a crystal down there at the same
That's the
time.
sugar, not the crystal. Oh, you try to mix it pa.
There's more. And I don't think the cookies are brown at the outside. Are brown in the outside, more brown.
You want a brownish cookies?
Yes?
Can we put the flour now? Yeah?
Yeah. So now
You put
we will put 1 and 1
4th
cup
of flour.
of flour.
Give me na. Put it na. Then the 1/4 and then the 1 cup. Put it. There you go. Wait. One
Next, 1/4
teaspoon of
of
baking.
baking soda.
Start mixing.
Oh, it's gonna be all okay. Oh my God! It's getting cookies. Cute.
Oh, it looks good. Your cookie dough looks good. You mix it properly.
Oh, hold it.
Then mix it.
Ooh, so gooey.
You're excited?
It like a circle cookie. You like a circle and the cookie. It looks like a circle cookie.
Taste it. Yummy?
It was good. Put up 1 cup with chocolate.
1/2 cup. Ooh, yummy!
Wait, more. There's more. Gonna use the cookie
This for cookies.
This for cookies. Put a baking paper.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
You did? So you're gonna roll a cookie dough, okay? You start rolling a cookie dough.
Okay, this one.
This one, the cookie, the one that you did.
Oh. Okay, put it right there. Yeah.
Have some little space.
Oh, the space.
Yeah. Space is always important.
I want to do that with you need to help me on spoon, Mama. Second. All yourself, Mama. No. It's so big.
You wash your hands, huh?
Okay. This one is small with cookie.
Small cookie. So this is small.
It's okay to be small cookie.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still a cookie.
I have my own my hands, and I don't want to eat that. Wash your hands too, Mama. Okay, Mama? Wash your hands too. No one? You stay there. How about me? Oh! Put it back. Big cookie.
Here.
I like this baking cookies.
You're so fast, huh?
Ha. Yes, I'm fast.
You're good at baking.
I know. Why did you have a small cookie? Put it there. The chocolate!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Tumitikим ka.
There's one on my hand because I need to eat it. That's why you eat the chocolate and then more?
Yeah, I'm just moving it.
To the right place.
Yeah.
This is perfect cookie. I put it. Ooh, so delicious. And we're gonna play the cook up or down, Mama. Up or down? Down. Okay. To make a cookie. Too heavy.
Put it in the
Up.
fridge first. The cookie dough.
Okay.
Go get it. I'll be the one to put it in the oven. Hurry!
Okay.
Let me do it.
So Prituhan, Mama. So, Mama, be careful, Mama. Be Now let's wait to the cookie for the fat cookie.
To flatten up.
Yeah.
Here's Alodia's cookies. Let it cool first because it's hot. Ooh, look at that.
Wait.
Let's wait for it to
Cool down. Cool down.
The bottom part is burned kasi hindi pantay ng heat ng oven na.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Alodia TV.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.